What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to review taking your script and creating a storyboard. We can use the storyboard to help you plan your shots and shoot your video. You've probably made a storyboard in your other courses. However, one question I often get from students is which frame should appear in your storyboard. That's a great question and something we will examine in this video. We will use the script that you wrote and examine how we can build a storyboard from the script. Before you start to sketch out your storyboard, it is important to ensure that you have finalized your script. Also, ensure you are using the 5-story beats and have clearly identified each beat. We can take each beat in your story and identify a series of shots to explain the beat. Each one of these shots would get a frame in your storyboard. When you are sketching out the frames in your storyboard, you should first consider the type of shot. Let's first review the basic shot types. Wide shots are set by placing your characters far away from the camera. They are great for establishing a scene and giving the viewer context and understanding a new location. Wide shots are often followed by medium shots. Medium shots are the most common type of shot. They are set at a comfortable distance from your characters and give your audience the ability to see details like movement or gestures. A medium shot makes it feel like you're in conversation with the characters in a scene. A good starting point for any shot is a medium shot. You can use close-up shots as a way to create more of an emotional connection with your viewer. A close-up does not include the broader scene, so it really focuses the viewer on one part. Wide, medium, and close-up are the 3 basic shot types. They are a great starting point as you sketch out your storyboard. Select a beat from your story and identify the shot type and what is in the shot. Consider which shot type will work best for each shot. What is the purpose of the shot, and what are you trying to communicate to your audience? Sketch out each of these shots. Another question you should ask yourself is what you want your audience to feel. Sometimes, you need to create an extreme shot to convey an emotion or feeling. This could be an extreme wide shot to show scale, or an extreme close-up to make your audience feel uncomfortable. You can also change the angle of the camera to change the feeling. Placing a camera down low and pointing it upwards results in an upshot, where a character is given a position of dominance. Placing a camera above a subject and pointing it downward makes a character feel inferior. Return to the shots you sketched out for your beat and see if any of them could benefit from an extreme shot or changing the camera angle to make more of an emotional connection. Another technique that you can use when creating your shots is to consider camera movement. Camera movement can make your shots more dynamic and increase the emotional impact for any shot. Some techniques include a pan, where your camera can move vertically or horizontally, or a zoom, where you zoom in or out to reveal additional details. You can use a combination of dynamic techniques for any shot. Now have a look at your shots and think about the camera movement. Which shots would best be static, and which ones would benefit from dynamic camera movement? Use arrows or descriptions to explain any camera movement. Complete the process of listing shots for each beat in your story. Once you are done, combine your frames together in a storyboard. Examine how you are using the combination of shot types and movement to tell your story. At the end of this video, you should understand how to make a storyboard, the different shot types, and how to identify what frames should appear in your storyboard.